The Daily Code Snippet. What if you have a situation where you don't want the same width, style, or color border all around? In this case, you cannot use the shorthand we went over in yesterday's video. Instead, you need to specify the border width, border style, and border color separately, and you could name up to 4 values. Just like with margin and padding, we follow the same convention of clockwise from the top. So top, right, bottom, and left. But if we don't provide 4 values, we have to understand how the CSS is read. Border width, 20 pixels, medium, thin, 5 pixels. Border width, thick, 10 pixels, thin. Border width, thick, thin. Border width, medium. With 4 values, the top border is 20 pixels, right border is medium, bottom border is thin, and the left border is 5 pixels. With 3 values, the top border is thick, right and left borders are 10 pixels, and the bottom border is thin. With only 2 values, the top and bottom borders are thick, while the right and left borders are thin. With 1 value, all borders are medium. Border style, solid, dashed, dotted, double. Border style, solid, dashed, dotted. Border style, dotted, dashed. Border style, solid. With 4 values, the top border is solid, right border is dashed, bottom border is dotted, and left border is double. With 3 values, the top border is solid, the right and left borders are dashed, while the bottom border is dotted. With 2 values, the top and bottom borders are dotted, while the right and left borders are dashed. With 1 value, all borders are solid. Border color, yellow, pink, blue, red. Border color, green, yellow, blue. Border color, pink, yellow. Border color, green. With 4 values, the top border is yellow, the right border is pink, bottom border is blue, and left border is red. With 3 values, the top border is green, right and left borders are yellow, and the bottom border is blue. With only 2 values, the top and bottom borders are pink, and the right and left values are yellow. And finally, with 1 value, all 4 borders are green. Presented by Designers Learn Code.